Welcome to Mini Store Channel. In today's market, a blender is not just an ordinary household appliance but an indispensable part of daily health and nutrition care. With the popularity of the healthy eating movement and nutritious diets, blenders have become invaluable aids, helping us easily create delicious and nutritious smoothies right at home. Beyond simply being a tool to blend fruits and vegetables, blenders have the ability to combine various ingredients such as nuts, seeds, milk, and fatty powders like nut butter and chia seeds, creating diverse and rich recipes to cater to the culinary and health needs of every household. Moreover, using a blender also brings unexpected benefits. Through the process of blending fruits and vegetables, we can digest more easily and absorb nutrients more effectively from the food. Additionally, preparing smoothies at home helps completely eliminate preservatives and refined sugars, ensuring safety and nutrition for daily meals. Above all, a blender is not just a regular kitchen appliance but also a reliable partner in the journey of healthcare and beauty. With its flexibility and versatility in processing, a blender truly is a powerful ally, bringing significant benefits to everyone in their daily lives. In the heart of this exceptional blender lies a powerhouse of a motor, boasting an impressive 1,340 watts. This extraordinary motor doesn't just promise speed, it delivers fast and efficient blending and mixing that surpasses expectations, making quick work of even the toughest ingredients. Crafted from the finest BPA-free Triton plastic, the durability of this blender is unmatched. Built to withstand the rigors of daily use, you can trust that it will stand the test of time, providing you with long-lasting performance you can rely on. Equipped with 10 variable speed settings, this blender puts precise control at your fingertips. Whether you're blending delicate fruits or hearty vegetables, you can adjust the speed to achieve the perfect texture and consistency every time. With a spacious 48 ounces container, this blender offers ample room to create large batches of your favorite smoothies or soups. Say goodbye to multiple rounds of blending and hello to convenience as you prepare delicious treats for yourself and your loved ones. Safety is paramount, and this blender ensures your peace of mind with features such as a radial cooling fan and a thermal protection system. These built-in safety measures guarantee safe operation, allowing you to blend with confidence and without worry. Introducing the Vitamix A3200, your ultimate culinary companion for every step of your home-cooked meal journey. From refreshing smoothies to indulgent desserts, this versatile blender is your ticket to culinary creativity, delivering exceptional results in minutes. With its variable speed control featuring 10 different settings, the Vitamix A3200 puts the power in your hands. Easily adjust the speed to achieve your desired texture, and with the ability to rotate the dial at any point during the blend, you have complete control over the blending process. The 64-ounce container is perfectly sized and shaped for blending small to large batches with ease, ensuring you have ample capacity for all your culinary creations. Harness the transformative power of friction heat with the Vitamix A3200's ability to create hot soup in just 6 minutes. Its high-speed blades generate enough heat to bring cold ingredients to steaming hot, adding versatility to your meal preparation. Experience the smoothest textures imaginable with the Vitamix A3200's patented designs. Its precision-engineered blades can pulverize even the tiniest of seeds, guaranteeing silky smooth blends every time. Built to last, the Vitamix A3200 features hardened stainless steel blades crafted from aircraft-grade materials. Designed to tackle the toughest ingredients, these blades consistently deliver quality results from the first blend to the last. Cleaning up is a breeze with the Vitamix A3200's self-cleaning function. With just a drop of dish soap and warm water, your blender can clean itself in a matter of seconds, saving you time and effort. In the box, you'll find everything you need to get started, including the motor base, a 64 ounces container, a comprehensive getting started guide, and a classic tamper for effortless blending. Backed by a full 7-year warranty from Vitamix, you can enjoy total peace of mind knowing that your investment is protected for years to come. Experience the difference with the Vitamix A3200 and elevate your culinary creations to new heights. Empower your culinary creativity with the Vitamix Ascent A2500, where you take the reins of your blending experience with ease. Featuring variable speed control and a pulse feature, you have the freedom to finely adjust the texture of any recipe to your liking, ensuring each blend is tailored to perfection. Equipped with built-in wireless connectivity, the motor base seamlessly adapts to the container size you've selected, automatically adjusting blending times for optimal results. Customize your blending system by adding a range of compatible container sizes, catering to your unique needs and preferences. Say goodbye to guesswork with the programmable timer, which helps prevent over or under processing of your custom recipes. Simply set the timer to the desired length of your blend, and the machine will automatically shut off when the time is up, ensuring consistent results every time. Experience intuitive control with the sleek touchscreen interface, effortlessly wiping clean for added convenience. The low-profile 64-ounce container offers ample capacity for family meals and entertaining, all while conveniently fitting under most kitchen cabinets for seamless storage. Enjoy peace of mind with a generous 10-year warranty, providing long-term reassurance for your investment. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to get started, including the motor base, a 64-ounce low-profile container, an S2 low-profile tamper, and the Simply Blending Cookbook, inspiring you to explore endless culinary possibilities. With electrical ratings of 120 volts, 50 to 60 Hz, and 12 amps, the Vitamix A3500 is ready to elevate your blending experience to new heights, delivering exceptional results with every use. Indulge in the perfect blend of convenience and precision with the Vitamix A3300. Whether you're whipping up a morning smoothie or crafting a creamy soup for dinner, this blender is designed to streamline your culinary adventures. The 48-ounce container is ideal for smaller to medium-sized blends, making it perfect for individual servings or family meals alike. With 5 program settings tailored for smoothies, hot soups, dips and spreads, frozen desserts, and self-cleaning, achieving consistent results has never been easier. Simply select your desired program and walk away, confident that your blend will be executed flawlessly. Effortlessly navigate through your blending experience with touchscreen controls, offering a sleek silhouette that's easy to wipe clean. Customize your blend with variable speed control and a pulse feature, allowing you to fine-tune the texture of any recipe to your preference. Experience seamless integration with wireless connectivity, as the motor base detects the container size and automatically adjusts program settings and maximum blending times accordingly. Expand your culinary horizons by adding a range of compatible containers and attachments, creating a personalized blending system tailored to your needs. Never worry about over or under processing your recipes again, thanks to the programmable timer. Set the timer to the desired length of your blend, and the machine will automatically shut off, ensuring consistent and reliable results every time. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to get started, including the motor base, a low-profile 48 ounces container, a low-profile classic tamper, a tamper holder, and the Simply Blending Cookbook, inspiring you to unleash your creativity in the kitchen. With electrical ratings of 120 volts, 50 to 60 Hz, and 12 amps, and a 4-foot cord, the Vitamix A3300 is ready to elevate your blending experience to new heights. With a powerful 2.2 peak horsepower motor, this blender delivers exceptional performance with every use, making it a must-have addition to any kitchen. Exclusively designed for residential use, behold the pinnacle of blending innovation with the world's quietest blender. Engineered with state-of-the-art proprietary sound dampening and airflow technologies, this blender operates at a level of serenity, ensuring your blending experience remains uninterrupted. Crafted for durability and performance, this heavy-duty kitchen blender boasts a robust 1800-watt motor, housed within a sleek matte black jar base. Illuminated by an intuitive capacitive touch interface, navigating through blending tasks has never been easier or more stylish. Cleaning is a breeze with this blender's user-friendly design. Simply add hot water and a dash of dish soap to the jar, then blend for several seconds to effortlessly clean away residue. A quick wipe down with a damp cloth completes the process, leaving your machine pristine and ready for its next masterpiece. Experience the prowess of a high-power countertop blender with pre-programmed cycles tailored for various culinary creations. From batters to mixed drinks, smoothies to frozen treats, whole juices to hot soups, this blender delivers consistent results with the touch of a button. Blend with peace of mind, thanks to patented blunt blade technology that eliminates the risk of sharp blades. These blades are 80% thicker and 10 times stronger than conventional blades, ensuring smooth blends without compromising on safety. Elevate your blending experience to new heights with the world's quietest blender. With its unparalleled performance, ease of use, and safety features, it's a must-have addition to any kitchen where quality and tranquility are paramount. In conclusion, the evolution of blending technology has brought about remarkable innovations, transforming the way we approach culinary endeavors. The blender has transitioned from a mere kitchen appliance to an essential tool, seamlessly integrating into our daily routines. With its versatility and efficiency, the modern blender has become a staple in households around the world. From the bustling mornings where a quick smoothie fuels our day to the serene evenings where a comforting soup soothes our soul, the blender stands ready to cater to our every culinary whim. Its ability to effortlessly blend ingredients to perfection, coupled with advanced features such as pre-programmed cycles and proprietary sound dampening, elevates our cooking experience to new heights. Moreover, the emphasis on safety and durability ensures that every blend is not only smooth but also secure. With innovations like blunt blade technology, we can blend with confidence, knowing that our safety is paramount. As we navigate the realm of residential blending, let us embrace the possibilities that lie within the sleek design and powerful performance of the modern blender. It is not merely a kitchen appliance but a gateway to culinary creativity, allowing us to explore new flavors, textures, and sensations with every blend. So, let us raise our glasses to the blender, the unsung hero of the modern kitchen, and to the endless culinary adventures that await. The product link is below the description, everyone can refer to it there.